Hello everyone, in this video we cover the module 3 knowledge check. So click on the start, and now this is the first question. Reflect the design principle of the security pillar of the well architect framework. So the correct option is apply the security at all layer of the well architect and click on submit. Answer is correct. Which statement about the responsibility are the accurate based on the AWS shared responsibility model? So the correct option is AWS is responsible for the physical security of a data center. First one, and second is customer are the responsible for managing their user data, and click on submit. Now next, which option are the characteristic of the principle of a list of privileges? So the correct option is grant access only as needed, and the next one is craft security policies that limit the access to a specific task, and click on submit. Now next, which statement about the AWS identity and the access management is true? So the correct option is which IAM you can grant principal granularly access to the resources. Last one, and submit. Now the next question, which statement describe the AWS identity and the access management role? So the correct option is the individual applications and the service can access the roles, and the second one is they provide the temporary security credentials. Submit. Okay. Which statement reflect the best practices at the root user on a user account? So the correct option is create an admin user and create an admin user and perform the most admin task with this user instance of the root user. Submit. Now, how does the AWS identity and access management evaluate the policy? So the correct option is it checks the explicit density. It checks the explicit deny system before it checks for the explicit allow statement. Continue. Which statement about the AWS architect and access management policy is accurate? So the correct option is identity based policies attached to the user groups and the role. Identity based policies are attached to the user groups and role. Identity based, not resource based. Next, which AWS identity and access management policy element includes the information about whether they are allow or deny the request? So the correct option is effect. Submit. Now next, which option accurately describes the statement elements of in a AWS identity of access management policy? So the correct option is the statement element contains other elements that together define what allowed and denied. So this is the correct option, and now click on submit. So we get 100 score. So here we completed module number 3.